Hi everyone, welcome back to Ostomy Care with Angel Face Amy. I'm Amy, a wound and ostomy nurse, and today's video is a little different. We're not talking about products or how-tos, we're talking about something deeper, grief. Because what happens after ostomy surgery isn't just physical, it's emotional, and sometimes that part is the hardest. Even when ostomy surgery is life-saving, even when you know it was the right choice, it's still okay to feel a deep sense of loss. Loss of the body you once had, loss of privacy, loss of spontaneity, loss of control. Some people feel grief around intimacy or body image. Others grieve their independence or just feel like they're not the same person anymore. And here's what I want you to hear loud and clear. That is completely normal. Grief isn't selfish, it's not weakness, it's just part of adjusting to a new reality. As a nurse, I've walked alongside a lot of people during this transition. I've seen patients who seemed okay at the hospital, but broke down the first time they changed their pouch at home. I've heard people say things like, I feel broken, I didn't expect to feel this emotional, I don't want anyone to see me like this, and I want you to know that your feelings are valid. You can feel grateful and grieve at the same time. Healing is not just stitches and skin, it's rebuilding confidence, identity, and hope. So what helps? Here are a few things I often share with my patients. Name your feelings. Say them out loud. Write them down. Don't push them away. Talk to someone who gets it, whether that's a support group, therapist, or even just a friend. You don't have to carry this alone. Give yourself time. There's no rush. There's no should. Allow joy back in little by little. A walk outside, a good cup of coffee, a funny show, all these things matter. And maybe most importantly, be kind to yourself. You're adjusting to something major, and that takes courage. The truth is, most people do find peace again. They do rediscover their strength. They learn to travel again, to swim again, laugh again, date again. I've seen so many beautiful stories unfold, but that doesn't mean the path was easy. Grief can come in waves, even months or years later, and when it does, give yourself grace. Your story isn't over, and it's just different, and sometimes different turns out to be stronger, wiser, and more compassionate than before. If you're grieving right now, I see you. I may not have lived it in my own body, but I've witnessed the heartache and the healing in so many of my patients. Leave a heart in the comments if this resonated with you, or share your story if you feel like you're ready. You're not alone. I'm here, and this community is here for you too. And I'll see you next time with something more practical. But today, thank you for letting me hold space for the emotional part of all of this.